Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. We are again with you with a new video, and this time we are trying to teach you how to develop vocabulary through idioms. Idioms are very important pillars of language. Idioms are conventionally known as idiomatic expressions. Idiom is a common phrase, common expression, common word that has a figurative meaning that is commonly understood by native speakers. According to the Cambridge English Dictionary, it is a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. Idioms have hidden meanings. Idioms have meanings of layers, but they are very interesting. They embellish our speech, they embellish our communication skills, and they develop powers of writing. So, we are trying to give you some of the most common expressions known as idiomatic expressions. The first idiom that we are going to discuss is to die in harness. To die in harness means to die while performing your duties. Suppose Stephen's father died in harness. Stephen's father died when he was on his duty while performing his responsibilities, official duties, he passed away. It means it is the idiom to die in harness. The second idiom is to give rise to. To give rise to means to be the cause of or source of. To give rise to means to be the cause of or source of. Example, his actions has given rise to all sorts of rumors. His actions have given rise to all sorts of rumors. When we remember idioms, when we come across idioms, our language is enriched. Third idiom is as happy as the day is long. As happy as the day is long means very happy, extremely glad. As happy as the day is long means very happy, extremely glad. The child is as happy as the day is long. The fourth idiom is that to have a loose tongue. To have a loose tongue means to be in the habit of talking too much or telling secrets. Don't trust this boy. Don't trust this boy. He has a loose tongue. Another example, be careful when you tell Sumaira. Be careful what you tell Sumaira. She has got a very loose tongue. So, these idioms are very interesting, fascinating. They have captivating ideas. The fifth idiom is to throw mud at. To throw mud at means to speak evil of, try to damage one's reputation. To throw mud at means try to damage one's reputation, to speak evil of. Example, he is a jealous kind of person who is always throwing mud at others. He is always a jealous kind of person who is always throwing mud at others means he is speaking ill of other people, he is trying to damage reputation of other people. Then to hold one's peace, instead of saying to keep quiet, remain silent, shut your mouth, we have a very polite and very civilized idiom to hold one's peace. To hold one's peace means to keep silence, to stop talking. To keep silence, to hold one's peace means to keep silence, stop talking. Will you please hold your peace? Wonderful idiom, dear audience. Instead of stop talking, don't make a noise, simple say, hold your peace. Example, you must hold your peace and accept the changes. You must hold your peace and accept the changes. This is how we learn idioms in a very convincing way and easy way. Then its most interesting idiom A rope of sand. A rope of sand means a support with no real strength. A rope of sand means a support that has no real strength. Example, I depended upon him entirely, but in time of need, he proved to be a rope of sand. Means he deceived me. He gave a deceit to me. A rope of sand means a support with no real strength. I depended upon him entirely, but in time of need, he proved to be rope of sand. Wonderful idiom. Another idiom that is connected with a diamond, a rough diamond. A rough diamond means a good-hearted but uncultured person. A rough diamond means a good-hearted but uncultured person. A person who is very nice but who lacks manners, style of talking, who has lack of education. He does not know how to speak situationally. He does not know how to speak according to the situation. So, a rough diamond means a good-hearted but uncultured person. He is not well cultured. He is not civilized. He is not a cultured fellow. Example, her grandfather was bit of a rough diamond. A rough diamond, wonderful idiom. Then we have another idiom, to miss the boat. To miss the boat means to be unable to take advantage of something because you are too late. To miss the boat means to lose the opportunity. To miss the opportunity. To be unable to take advantage of something because you are too late. Means there were tickets available last week, but he missed the boat by waiting till today to try to buy some. And other idiom, a snake in the grass. A snake in the grass means a hidden enemy, a deceitful person who appears to be your friend, but he does not expose his negative thoughts. He is hidden enemy. He is a deceitful person. A snake in the grass means a hidden enemy, a deceitful person. You should be aware of his flattery. He is a snake in the grass. You should be aware of his flattery. He is a snake in the grass. So, these idioms, I have shared here 10 idioms. I hope that while listening to these idioms again and again, your vocabulary is built up. Your vocabulary is advanced. Your vocabulary is increased. When your vocabulary is increased, your language is enriched. You develop your language. Powers of language come upon you. So, dear students, dear viewers, dear candidates, we are always trying to present before you a wonderful videos. Hopefully, you will also learn a great deal of information from this video. Bye. Thank you so much. Take care.